Good day, everyone. So this video is all about the continuation of our discussion. So our topic is all about the injection, surjection, and bijection. But before we proceed to the discussion proper, let's have first the recall about what my group mates had discussed last meeting. So Mr. Jimmy Buruya discussed about the injective function. So when we say injective function, it is a one-to-one function or one-on-one function. So it says that on the given Venn diagram. So the injective or the injection function, which is one-to-one, it says that if x sub 1 is not equal to x sub 2, then f of x sub 1 is also not equal to f of x sub 2. The second one is about the surjection that is discussed by Ms. Kathleen Fastin. So she says that surjection function is a function that is onto or the surjective function or surjection function that is onto, it is sometimes called the many to one. So now we will proceed to the bijection. So when we say bijection, it is the combination of injection and surjection. So the diagram for the bijection function is, so here is the diagram of the bijection. So as you can see, it is, or the domain and codomains are equal with each one unique function. So for you to further understand, let us first have our example. So our first example is f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. So if ang gagawin natin dito is alamin natin kung siya ay bijective. So when we say bijective nga, is a combination of injection and surjection. So f of x is bijective, hence find its inverse. So ito yung need nating alamin. So hanapin yung inverse ng example natin na to. So first is, let us identify if this is a bijection and surjection. So when we say injective, again, it is 1 to 1. Okay, so let f of x sub 1 is equal to f of x sub 2. Okay, so let's substitute our given f of x. So f of x sub 1, we have 2 x sub 1 plus 3 is equal to yung x sub 2 natin, 2x sub 2 plus 3. So may makikita ba kayong pwede natin i-cancel? Of course, meron, which is yung number 3. So, after natin makancel, so, ang given natin dito, ang natitira na lang dito is 2x sub 1 is equal to 2x sub 2. So, we can cancel again 2 or divide both side by 2. Ay, sige, ito na lang din. And then, cancel both. So, ang matitira na lang natin sa sagot is x sub 1 is equal to x sub 2. Okay? So, therefore, our given function is E, injective, or the function of n is 1 to 1. Check, so siya ay injective. So, next is we will confirm if this given again is a surjection. Ayaw mag-focus me. And so, let's check if the given is bijection. Sorry. if the given is surjection. So in usage surjection, it is again on 2. Okay. So in surjection, by the way, ay makukuha natin yung inverse of a function ng hindi natin inaasahan. So, in other words, we can get the inverse of a function kahit hindi natin siya kunin. Automatically, makukuha natin siya through the process of solving the surjective. Okay, so let y is equal to f of x. Yan yung gagamitin natin. So, the value of our y is... the value of our f of x again is this, 2x plus 3. So, ililipat lang natin siya onto the other side. So, pagkasamahin, ipagbubuko din lang natin yung 2x sa y. So, that makakancel natin yung value ng x. So, ang hinanap natin dito is yung value na nung x natin, which is yung magiging automatically the inverse. Okay? So, lipat natin yung 2x dito. And then, magkakaroon tayo ng y is equal to 3. So, para makancel yung yung value ng x natin is we will divide it both side by 2. Ayan. So, cancel. Ang magiging sagot na lang natin dito is x is equal to y over 3. Y minus 3 all over 2. So, is this function surjective? Yes. So now let's confirm if this function is bijective. So, by the way, our function is confirmed as bijective since we already proved that this function is injective and at the same time is surjective. So basically, this will definitely bijective. So let's just write it and for the formality of this given. So bijective, the function of f and is 1, 2, 1, and on 2 at the same time. So if f of n is bijective, then the inverse exists. So, sabi ko nga kanina, kung sa surjection, throughout the process of the surjection ay nakukuha na natin yung automatically inverse of a function. So, basically, the inverse na hinahanap natin kanina, yung sinabi dito, hence find its inverse. So, ang inverse na hinahanap natin dito ay yun ding sagot sa surjection kasi nga automatically nakuha natin yung inverse natin unintentionally. So, let's just rewrite dy is equal to f of x. And then, kapag in-inverse naman natin itong given equation na to is x, ang kalalabasan niya is x is equal to the inverse of y. So, ano nga yung value natin nung x na nakuha natin sa surjection kanina? So, ito yun. Yan. So, we will just write it here. So, x is equal to y minus 3 all over 2. So, our answer or the inverse na hinahanap natin sa bijection is x is equal to y minus 3 all over 2. Therefore, this function f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 is confirmed as injective and confirmed also as a surjection. Therefore, this function is bijective. Okay? So, naintindihan ba yung ating discussion about the bijection? Any question? None? Naintindihan? Oo or oo? So, yun lang. Bye-bye.